Aloha. Happy birthday, Mantualita. Happy 75th birthday. Sana naman miragdagan ka pa makapambiya. Antimony sadya, harapan mo rin pa magbayo, makanyang pa mo rin. Basta dalangin may kamasanting kang masanting in good health at saka in good health palagi. Pero makanyan man at pare-pareho mo naman matuan ng bili at pasalbata kaya nga pong Ginoy tambiras tamo ang kaya makanining kay makanining bili na may kabata mo biya. Sana miragdagan tapang kumaba biya. Yeah, happy birthday kaya happy 75th birthday. God bless you. Basta tinasabi ko itang ikami ng kaluburanda ka, we love you. Matuwang kain matuwang boy pop. Okay, bye-bye. We love you.
Ma, happy birthday! Wish ko kaya ka kumaba ka pa biya para akaya beda ka pang maluwat. Mimigat ka malagi.
Ma, happy birthday. God bless po.
Happy birthday po, Lola.
Ma, happy birthday!
Ma, happy 75th birthday. Kaya ka sana ka paning makabambiya. Di na nakapaning apong Ginoong gandinalan abanwa. Banta kwata mong miyabiyabi masayakin. Sana may kitikit tapagen. At pabusin kaya kayo sarili. But enjoy your birthday. Once again, happy 75th birthday, Mother. Love you.
Happy birthday, Nanay. We love you. Ingat palagi. Mwa.
Hi ma! Happy 75th birthday! Chuko kami kininging Puerto Ballar, taging Mexico. Happy birthday ma. Wish me lagi kaya ka na sana lagi kang healthy and sana kumaba pa yung kami happy mo. Sana miya kita mo. Advance. Merry Christmas ma. See you next year ha. Love you ma. Happy birthday. Mama, chup chup.
Hello po ma. Happy 75th birthday po. Yung wish ko po sana kaya kayo, sana lagi kayo pong masikan at di na kayo pa pong makabambiyan ng apong Ginoo. Sana ma, datang yung aldo, miras kami mo rin ken, banta miyabe-yabe tamo po keng US. Enjoy your special day ma and God bless you always ma. I love you ma. Happy birthday po ulit. Ingat kayo po lagi ken.
Happy birthday to you. Purikyam pong igiriting ka na akong pinakamalago at pinakamalugod na pengari, babae, ima ko, na happy birthday. Balo ko madakal ka pangarap para kaya kami. Pero gini, unti-unti nang daratang itang buri mo. Matutupad na halos yung puri mong malyari para kaya kami. At sana wish ko mo na lumbat ka pa biye, maging masikang ka, good health, banta akit mo pa na nang malyari kaya kami na maging successful kami kaya rin pa mi biya mi kaya ni King US. Nakala salamat kayang lugod at panay mong paman ng tabi kaya kami at sana maging masaya ka pa ni. And be grateful mom and be always thankful. Happy birthday. Thank you. Love you.
Happy birthday ma. Wishing you a good health and many more birthdays to come. I love you and miss you.
Hello ma. Happy birthday. Wish me kaya ka sana dakal pang birthday datang kaya ka at di na nakapang makabambiyan niya po Ginoo. Nakakaya beda ka pang maluwat. God bless. Mimingat kayo lagi ken.
We love you.
We love you.
Happy 75th birthday, Mom. Hi, Ma. Happy birthday. I wish you all the very best for your day today. And I just want to say thank you for everything, for always helping us, especially with the kids. For always making our vacation plan, me and Oliver always make it possible to go on trips, you taking care of the kids. So we really appreciate that. I wish you good health always, long life with all of us, especially with your apo, to see them grow and become successful. That's it. We love you so much, and we're always happy and grateful that you are here with us. Happy birthday. I love you.
Happy 75th birthday, Ma. Thanks for making it easy to raise our family. We love you so much.
Love you. Enjoy your day today. Happy 75th.
God bless you.
God bless. Aloha.
Happy birthday, Nai Nai. Happy birthday, Nai Nai. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Nai Nai. Happy birthday, Ma. More birthdays to come. We love you.
Bye-bye.
No kiss. No kiss. Kiss.
Tita, more birthday to come. Reach the 100 years. Oh, happy birthday, Tita. Alanda, o na nga kung salita na.
Love you.
I love you ang ano. I love you ang ano. Sabihan mo na eh.
Magkasama magsalita.
Julita, kumusta na? Happy birthday. More birthdays to come. Good health. Mimingat kayo, Ken.
Che, happy birthday pala. Sana hindi ng taong makapapambi. Pong kasi ka na nakatawan. Happy birthday na mo kasi payo.
Hello sis, happy birthday. Wish ko kaya ka na sana kumahaba ka pa biye at palagi kang healthy at sana more birthdays to come. Tsaka mikita mo pa sana pa si Bayo. Kapilang ka mo di Pilipinas. Banta makapag get together tamo ulit may kakapatad. Tutuan no rin kuya to, Kongmeng. 18 yata next year. So sana makahuli kang agad. Bata mong nikit-dikit pa si Bayo at makapag get together tamo kasi tutwata naman. Mimingat ka palagi. And see you soon. I love you. Bye.
Dapat siya kong malago. Kamusta na ko ng Ken. Happy birthday. Wish ko kaya ka sana ako mahaba ka pa. Ita mo nga. Para mikit-ikit tapang pasibayo. Kapila kang muli pala. Dapat kasalubong mo niya. Bibigat kayo nga Ken. Kumusta na mo pati ka rin Michelle. Love you. Miss you. God bless.
Happy birthday, Che. Sana manatili ka maskan. Ang dakal pang birthday datang kaya ka. Imingat ka, Ken.
Hello, Achilita. Happy 75th birthday. Sana kumaba ka pa, maging healthy. Sana makapag-banding ka ta pa. Potang datang ko. Tsaka dakal-dakal salamat. Kaya sa mo ka na ako. Malibat kanita hanggang yan. Happy birthday. God bless you. Yan. See you soon po.
Hi! Hello, Daralita! Yako Ilani. Happy birthday! Feliz cumpleaños! Wish ko kaya ka, sana dinana kaning kembabo makabambye, good health, ampo pang sana i-grant na ning kembabo nung nano pa in kaya kang wish keng birthday mo. Sana mo rin di na nakatamon chance na magka-reunion tamon baka nita maging masaya adyang minsan mo itang buo tamo baka din tamong good memories na abe ala makanita mo sana mimingat kayo palagi at adyang eda kayo kakit eda kayo makay nga kasabi lagi kayo nga tsukeng isip mi okay bye.
Tita Lita, happy birthday po kaya kayo. Wishing you a lot of healthy birthdays to come po and blessed birthdays. Always be happy and always smile para maging always young at heart po tayo. Love you, Tita. Happy birthday po.
Hello, Auntie Lita. Happy birthday po. More birthdays to come. God bless you po. Ay, alalakpantin yung mag-aral kami, panay kaming dadalan kaya kayo, kayang palengki. Magala kaming pamasahe, tsaka school supply. Tabalo kung binayad ng Auntie Jem, bitang utang na. Thank you po, Auntie, ha. Ingat kayo po lagi, Ken. God bless you po.
Kumusta na Ken at si Lita? Happy birthday pala bukas, Sana mikit ka pa ulit. Ote nakabisa muli kay Kapas. mo na bure. Ori, Kevin, kumusta Michelle, kumusta na kay Ken? Kenny, okay kami mo. May galing-galing na ako ng bagya ketang panandama ko sa ketang aldo. Ay kanita. May taba-taba na akong bagya. Kumaring kay Ken. O sige, happy birthday na mo mag-ingat na kayo, Ken
Hello po. Happy birthday po kaya kayo, Ken, Nainay. Wish ko po kaya kayo sana I enjoy po in special yung Aldo, Yenny. At wish ko po sana kumabaya pa po yung Beyo. Magpasalamat ko po kay Apong Gino dahil may gida kayo pong lola. Mimingat na kayo mo po, Ken, and God bless po. Happy birthday po.
Hi, Nay! Happy birthday! Wishing you good health and long life. Dakal salamat ka rin ganang sinawap mo kaya kami. Enjoy your birthday and God bless you. We love you.
Happy birthday, Nay! Ingat po palagi and God bless you. See you soon.
Bye!
Ma, happy birthday po. Love you and I miss you. Thank you po sa lahat. Thank you for being a blessing to everyone and hope to see you soon. God bless and ingat po kayo lagi. Love you, Ma. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday po, Nanay. Ingat po palagi and God bless po.
Happy birthday, Nanay. More birthday wish to come.
Happy birthday, Nanay. We miss you and we love you so much. Mag-iingat po kayo palagi dyan.
Happy birthday, Nai. We love you always. And I just want to say, Nai, I thank you for everything you have done for me, for always loving me and taking care of me ever since I was little. Especially for always cooking my favorite dish, the kare kare. I love you and I pray to God that He blesses you with many more years to come. And I pray to God that He blesses you with a joyful and healthy life. And kaluguran daka. Dakal, dakal, dakal.
I want to wish you the best and happiness on your special day. May God bless you with many more beautiful years. And I just want to thank you for showing me what true love and care means by your grandma. Love you. Have a good one.
Be safe always, Nai. Happy
Bye.
birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Nay! Love you!
Nay, we thank you for all the yummy food you cook us, like the hot dog and the ramen
and the fried and garlic rice with spam in it. Salamat po!
And thank you, Nai, for taking care of us since birth and giving us sugar milk. Thank you for helping us and making us safe.
Thank you for doing the laundry and making us food. I appreciate that.
Thank you, Nai, for fixing the bed for us. Becky would like to say something.
Happy birthday, Nai! We love